Imagine a robot the size of a capsule, capable of navigating the depths of our bodies and capturing 3D images with astonishing clarity, all without cuts, without pain, without waiting. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Researchers led by engineers at the University of Leeds have developed a tiny magnetic device that could completely transform the way we diagnose cancer. For the first time, it has been possible to create extremely high-resolution three-dimensional ultrasound images from inside the gastrointestinal tract, an unprecedented feat in modern medicine. This technology paves the way for virtual biopsies, rapid, non-invasive, and incredibly detailed examinations capable of detecting, staging, and even suggesting treatments for cancerous lesions in real time, all in a single procedure. The project is the result of an innovative collaboration between experts from the University of Leeds, Glasgow, and Edinburgh, bringing together engineers, scientists, and clinicians in a truly multidisciplinary effort. The key to this revolution lies in a micro-ultrasound that captures images with microscopic definition, revealing tissue structures in detail that conventional ultrasound cannot reach. It's like having a high-tech magnifying glass inside the body, generating images comparable to those of a biopsy slide viewed under a microscope. In addition to the innovation in imaging, the shape of this robot, based on a geometric form called an oloid, offers unique mobility. Printed in 3D and only 21 millimeters in diameter, these structures allows the robot to slide precisely along the walls of the gastrointestinal tract. Tests carried out on artificial colors and animal models have proven that it moves with agility, captures 3D images, and locates lesions with impressive precision. In addition to diagnosing, the team envisions a future where the robot will also be able to administer drugs directly to the affected tissues with the help of ultrasound. This pioneering project has received support from UK Engineering and Physical Science Research Council, European Research Council, and European Commission. And the best part, the scientists believe that the technology could be applied to the other part of the body, further expanding the impact of this invention. Considering that biopsy can currently be very uncomfortable for patients, as well waiting for days to weeks, this technology, combining great patient comfort and shorter time to result and possibly even treatment, is a real breakthrough in the medical field.